I will talk about how can you select background on your Getcontact app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go go down, click your menu down here. So when you click here on menu, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, then you click here on settings, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on chat background, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here can you select here chat background, and here can you select it from your photos here, and here can you set a color. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.